Right, good morning, welcome back to the jaderacing YouTube channel. It's Friday morning, 4th of July, back at Santapod for the 4th round of the championship and the Summer National. Right, so good morning, we're at Santapod, day one of qualifying at the Summer Nationals, which is round 4 of our championship in 2025. So, there's no test day, it's straight into qualifying. I came here straight from work last night and I got here about 8:30, so we come this morning, we had to get the bike all ready, sign on, scrutiny here before we're running today. So, we're one of the first classes out, we are, I think, the 4th class, 10:30. Scheduled for 2 runs today and then 2 tomorrow, so not loads. It is a bigger event with some pro mods and stuff like that. It's quite warm and sunny this morning, still got a headwind, so probably going to put a conservative one on the board and then try and get a bit closer from there. So I think there's 15 or 16 bikes as well, so not a bad field, so see what we can do in qualifying.
No, it was 55 and you went 58.
Oh, cool.
I better go and get him.
Well, yeah, probably.
Right, so it's a pretty good first pass for us, so dialed the 9.55 and we went to 9.58. So only 300 away, puts us provisional number 1. And a good 60 foot of 129, which is on the quicker end of where it's ever been. 5.9988. A bit of a headwind, so a few miles an hour down, but Darcy for her first qualifier.
Next up, Darcy Cordell. Now that's 15.16 off.
15.16 on a 15.20 dial-in.
Brad, mate, that was close. She's got a great.
Right, so that's the end of day 1 qualifying at Summer Nationals, which is round 4 of our championship. So we've only had 2 runs today, but we have managed to end up provisional number 1 qualifier after those rounds. So we actually took it in the first round this morning. So we dialed a 9.55 and we're at 9.58, so 300ths away, and that secures for today at least number 1 qualifier. So we've got 2 more runs tomorrow, scheduled for 12 and 5 o'clock ish. So see what happens then, if anyone gets better, if we can get any closer. So have a bit of a chill evening, we've had some food, and we'll see what happens in the morning. Right, good morning. It's now Saturday at Santapodraceway. So this is day 2 qualifying at Summer Nationals. See what we can do in this first round. We've just been called. Alan's just moving up now. So we're getting the lanes, see what we can do. Right, good morning, welcome back. It's now Sunday, elimination day at Summer Nationals. So we had 2 qualifiers on Friday. We took number 1 place in the first session, we kept it all day. We had 2 more on Saturday, so we kept it for the first session, but then in the last session last night, we actually got bumped down to 4th. So we didn't get any closer than that 58 on a 55 dial. And in the last session, Alan Davis jumped up on his EFE from Street Weekend, Thomas Cook-Abbott jumped up into 3rd, and Phil Pratt jumped up into 1st, so we went 006 off. So we are now 4th going into eliminations. So we have Holly King, which is who we raced in the last session of qualifying. I think Phil's got quite a tough race with Patrick Breet, so they end up racing quite a lot, but it is normally quite a close race. So it's just gone 9, bike's ready, warmed up. First class has been called, so let's get on with racing. Okay, so unfortunately, with that weather coming in, that kind of put end to the racing before it even started. So I don't think anything got down track at all on Sunday. The weather came in, it was pretty relentless, it wasn't going to hold up, and they called the event. So with that, we go on to round 5.